In a stunning development from Harare, Regional Magistrate Maraponasvo Gofa has denied bail to Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. The duo faces serious fraud charges linked to the presidential goat scheme. Allegedly, they misappropriated a staggering $7 million, leaving many in shock. The scheme aimed at bolstering Zimbabwe's agricultural sector has now come under scrutiny. With the trial set to begin on August 7, 2024 at the High Court, all eyes are on this high-profile case. Chimombe and Mpofu, once influential figures, now find themselves at the center of a major scandal. The allegations have sparked discussions about accountability and transparency within national programs. Stay tuned as we bring you updates on this unfolding story. Will justice be served? Only time will tell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.